In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder pages in CutePDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open the PDF which has more than one page, and you want to go to the top here and click on Organize Pages. In here, you can find all your pages, and to basically reorder them, you can just click on the page you want to drag to a different position, click and drag it over there, and there we go, it's going to get filled in there. Release your mouse button, and you've successfully reorganized or reordered pages. So you can do this for all the pages just like this, or you could do it for multiple pages at once. So you can go and select pages like this. As you can see, I've selected both of these who have this orange rectangle, so you can use, of course, these check marks at the top left of the pages like this. And whenever you've selected all of them, which you could also do by pressing your control button, so either the check marks or, of course, a control button, and then click on those you want to select like this, and then you can just click and drag wherever you want them to be, and there we go. You can reorder multiple pages just like this as well. Then you can click on Apply Changes over here. Changes are going to get applied, and you've successfully reordered pages in CutePDF. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.